everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, guess what? New coupons have reset. So if you guys are loving these coupons and you guys don't get them, they have reset for me. So I'm definitely going to print off the Colgate because I recommend that one, because I say that one, I didn't check the date on that one. I haven't checked the date on it. I don't know if I have it near me. But definitely print that one off because that one usually lasts longer than the regular inserts that we get. So definitely print that one off. A lot of you guys might have already had the tone and the dial, but I never get those coupons, so I'm printing that again. I'm printing the 3 off of 2 Johnson again. Now these Stay Free, Carefree, those two did reset, but I'm not printing those because I actually got inserts for that now. I'm going to always print off the 50-cent Huggies because you never know when we can get a deal. Aleve, Bob Evans, a lot of this stuff have reset. Another Aleve. Scrubbing Bubbles, Huggies, that all reset in case you guys need to do that. A lot more other ones. Here's the $1 off, the Angel Soft. Now, people are getting it mixed up with the ones that are at Walgreens. This one you cannot use because it says it's of a 12 roll or larger or 6 mega roll or larger, and that's what we have at Walgreens is a 9 count, so of either one. But there's that. Now I never printed off the Gold Bond, so I'm not sure if those reset from yesterday, but just wanted to share with you guys some coupons to print in case you guys did not watch the video that I shared with you guys. I'm just going through more. Here's a Breathe Right, $3 off that one. I'm going to print that one off just in case. You never know if you need it. And then I've been seeing these fridge pack coupons, so I'm going to print that off when I get to it. A lot of the baby food all reset, but I think I'm good on baby food right now until I actually buy stuff. I'm going to print this off because I've seen deals like that like crazy. This Keebler, we got $1 off of 2. I think that one might be a new coupon, you guys, I think. Here we got $1 off 4 Pringles. I'm going to print that off because you never know when you're going to find a good deal of Pringles. And then these all look like these are the same ones. Mother's Cookies. Those are all the same ones. And then down on the bottom, the only thing that did not reset is the Desitin, the Suavitel, and then the Gerber little mixers. For me, it did not reset, so I think that's kind of weird. But just wanted to share with you guys new coupons that reset so you guys can print those right away. Again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.